time. The following is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service. Thunderstorms with frequent lightning, soaking downpours, gusty winds, and small hail this afternoon. At 1 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking scattered thunderstorms across northern Illinois capable of producing frequent lightning, soaking downpours, small, non-damaging hail, and gusty winds strong enough to down small tree limbs. The storms were moving south at about 20 to 25 miles per hour. These storms may intensify. Locations impacted include Chicago, Aurora, Rockford, Joliet, Naperville, Elgin, Cicero, Hammond, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Bolingbrook, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, and Mount Prospect. These storms may intensify, so be certain to monitor local radio stations and available television stations for additional information and possible warnings from the National Weather Service.
All right.
Now
Thank
here
you.
is the